Hello guys, it's Decor Mommy and I wanted to share with you this adorable little plaque that says love you more. Oh my word, I love the colors. And I got that from the 99, of course, along with the Happy Valentine Day heart and a little cupcake there. And this I love being loved by you plaque as well, and I just put it in a little cup with those roses. I just love the colors. They're so cute. So that's what I got going on there. And you guys know I move things around. I always do. All right, so you see this thing here? I'm gonna come a little bit color because I am going to paint this. I just wanted to see what it looked like and I just added these on there, but this is not going to stay like that. That's just what it looks like right now. And I just love the girly thing, guys. I really do. I just love the girly thing. And with Valentine's coming, it just gives me an excuse to be even more girlier. I just think it's so cute. And this frame here, I got this at Dollar General during Christmas time. And what I did is lay it down because it does have these hooks on the side. So I just laid it down, but it usually stands up and you can hang things on it. Window there, but I didn't hang it up. Sometimes I don't hang things up because I just move things around a lot. So I'm undecisive sometimes with hanging things up. Little love banner right there. And this is the planter that I hauled. And there is my little cute cup. And I got this bird cage from Ross. I want to maybe dress it up with some roses, and that's what the birds look like. I thought it was cute. And you can put candles in there. So we'll see how that looks. And this is the other side. I went ahead and took, hold on, let me close the blinds. Right, so this is how this is looking over here. I'll go slow. I've not hung that thing up yet. And in my other video, I had these things on the other shelving, but I think I like it a little bit more better over here. So this is how it's looking right now. And I just put the curtains up real quick. All right, I wanted to show you this thing. I like the frame, but the picture was a little different. So what I did was I just put a little sticky thing on this picture just to hide the other one. And I mean, to test it out, I guess. And then I have my little horse. I decided to put him up here, but he looked a little lonely up here, so I added these candle holders and a little tea pot and teacup. And then I just added this here. Okay, and these things here, I have two of them. I was just messing around. I just put that little purse there. I got that from the Dollar Tree, or the 99. Thought it was cute. I just put it there, just messing around. I don't think I'm gonna leave it there, but I got two of those and I would like to put flowers in there, but maybe more towards, I guess, spring. So that's kind of what that looks like right now. And my kitchen's a mess over there, so we're not even focused on that right now. It's kind of how it looks right now since I moved it. But forget about that gray thing. Remember, I'm going to paint that. And let me give you like, kind of like an overview. Let's look at my messy desk. Yes, my desk is messy. Sorry about that. All right, so I wanted to show you this little cup here, this little mug. Hello, beautiful. I thought it was so cute from the 99, and I got my little avocado still. And I got my chocolate right there. It's a candle. Don't mind this mess here. And then I wanted to show you this as well, if you guys don't mind. This is one of my devotional books, and if it's chocolate and pink, how can you just walk by it? No. It says, it's a one-year devotional. It says better than chocolate. It's tasty morsels of God's goodness. And I just like these devotions. And I got this at Ross, and they got a lot of books like that. As a matter of fact, I have another one over here. Let me show you. Here's another one, 365 daily devotions, and this is for couples. It says a little God time for couples as well, a habit of prayer, and you know, and it gives you a little story, and then you could pray. All right, so this is how my coffee, I guess, slash candy station looks like. I just wanted it kind of simple, so this is how I have it right now. Just added some candy in the jars and some suckers here. Just, you know, something easy for right now. But I do want to do another one. This is just what I have right now. Okay, so this is what I got on this side, and I change it up all the time. You've seen that picture. Got some little macaroons and added some candies there. Then I got some Paris mugs here, some marshmallows. I did put that sign just right there for the moment. I got a little macaroon towel. I did add some Dollar Tree candles that look like candies. This shelf, you guys have seen that picture. And I just added this, and I also added these more Dollar Tree candles that look like candy. So that's what that looks like. And there's like a glittery heart, more candy, straws from the Target dollar spot, and there's the napkins, and I just added some stickers on that and a flower. Okay, so this is how it is right now, but I just wanted to show you what it looked like before I change it up again, because you guys know how I am. I change everything up.